Alright, hey guys. I was going to do this as another stream, but I decided not to because it's something else for me to sort out, and I don't know, it's a bit of a faff most of the time. So I'm gonna do this as just a normal recording. Um, but yeah, last time we were. Let me stop something. There we go. Last time we worked on objectives, trying to get it sorted, um, make it so that the player and the bot can interact with them and cause them to shift control from one side to the other. And just before I finished, I very briefly started to touch on making the AI head towards enemy or unclaimed objectives. So with that in mind, so we came into this whilst this is the capturing objective state, and if we have an objective, if it's if we have complete control over it, then we want to search for a new objective. We currently haven't implemented the ability to stop what am I going for here? To stop yourself from like going to an already claimed objective, which is what we need to do. So in here, I need to basically figure out whether we already have ownership of the objective or not. Pretty much exactly the same premise as I've gone way past it. And let me filter this down so I don't keep scrolling halfway across the the code every single time. There we go. There's no need to see all of this. I'm sure there's a shortcut I could be using, but so we need this. So we need to come back into here and we go if objective has complete control. Oh, whoops. And I want to okay, so this is basically saying if we don't have control over that objective, then we go head towards that now. So the bot will basically, once it's whilst we're inside this, if we're ever at an objective that is completely ours, we'll immediately go back for searching for an objective, and then we'll come into here, find the objective, and then check for that. So that's what we're going to see if that just did the trick, because it might have done. It wouldn't surprise me. So when this inevitably loads, we shall see. Just want to check the file type that this is supposedly saving as. So I've had this problem before. Yes, MP4. Thank you. Okie doke. So in theory, you come into here. I go into this and start claiming. Oh, look, he came straight over. So he's got that one. It's gone red. It's gone green. He now owns it. And he claimed it again. So now he's technically got nowhere to be. But so we need to handle this case. But if I do this, it immediately comes over and it will shoot at me, fight for the objective, and then I have to leave. And then I have to go in here. And it shoot at me again. And then I come back here. Yeah, wonderful. Oh, I nearly had it. It's mine. Fantastic. Oh, oh no. Anyway, so proof of concept, it works. Wonderful. Okay, so now we need to handle the other case. Okay, how do we do this? So when we are in capturing objective, so we need this. We basically need a way of determining that all of them have been claimed. So let's make this no, okay. Think of this differently. So first of all, I'm going to create a method called this, and it literally just because we're duplicating the code here a lot. Let's put this one here. Okay. And then this is just going to equal something like that. I am unsure as to why a actor isn't being highlighted like a class. That's very unusual. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I probably need to do the same up here. So there's a copy and paste. Let's just build this just to make sure before we go any further. That's just to get rid of some duplicate code. The actual behavior's in the bit underneath anyway, so. Turning address, local. How did I used to do this? I'm just gonna peruse my other code. Let's see. This is probably the better one to look at. It's going to return a lot of things. Okay, let's try the base character. Oh, actually we want the code. Let's try this one. Something that returns a T array. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just, yeah, fair enough. Let's see if that's still the case. Where's it gone? There it is. I don't know if it matters or not. Sometimes it can mess some things up. Or at least that's what I've experienced in the past. There we go. Yeah, excellent. Interesting. surprise. Don't know if that means anything. Oh, right. Let's close that. Okay, so that's just shorthanded operation a bit. So what we need. We need something outside of this loop. I know. Okay, so if target objective is null, that will mean we haven't found one. If this is the case, sorry, hang on. And okay, so if we've not set one because they're all owned, and there are some, we haven't just gone into an objective-based map and there's no objectives in it, then the only instance this will ever be the case is if there are no we own all the objectives. So we want a new state called defending objective. So let's go into the states. And all we have to do is copy this. Defending objective. Copy that. I made some empty methods for some of the other states that we hadn't filled out, just to remind myself. But that should do the trick. Okay, so in defending objective, we want the same premise as this. So let's just take that. But what we don't want, so this is move to the objective we're defending if we're outside of its range. And then this will be if there's something trying to kill us or within range, if not. So we still need that, that's the key bit. But what we don't want is this. So we will want something like this later on. I'm just trying to think. We need something that's event driven that actually causes this to occur. Something similar to this drone attacked method here. So we want objective taken. Okay, and then if not objective dot has complete control drone team. So what we need to do here, so this will hopefully trigger every time an objective gets taken, or it transitions from one team to another. then we check whether it's us who's taken it, because it might not be, or it might still, sorry, because it might be our team still. And we need to check if we're in the defense state. So current state. I'm going to say not equal to objective. And then we want to go to capturing objective, and then we want to go target objective equals objective. So this will force us out of any other state. We will need to make that a bit more. We'll need to make that function a bit better, because there are certain states we wouldn't want to force a capturing objective state on. We could also change this to searching for objective. Oh, wait, hang on. And then this way it will just basically reassess from scratch what it needs to do. That could do the trick. And then in order to make this work, we do the same thing as we did for the take damage. And so we would need to do something fun here. So, okay, so I've added this concept of full claim, which is a Boolean, that we're trying, basically I'm using to determine whether somebody has complete claim over an area or not, which I can use the set of that to trigger some additional functionality, possibly, if that's, although it's only really being done in here, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So this is a case where we could actually quite easily use multicast delegates and to create an observer-listener pattern. However, not sure whether or not that will work very well here. Would it not? No, it would. No, it'd be fine. Right, let's do this, because we need to actually make them function anyway. So I've actually done a few of these in the past. I used them quite extensively in one of my old projects. So just so I don't have to rethink everything from scratch. It's the point of having code like this. Oh, I spelled content wrong. So let's go with the quest one here. Excellent. Okay, so we want the same kind of premise here. And it's, yeah, so it's just literally you define the name and then the parameter. Okay, so we take this, go into the objective header, and what this is doing is, this is the suppose the class, and then this is like the parameters type, and then the name. It's as simple as that. So we want objective claimed, Then we come into here and we do F objective claimed. We do that. I think that's all there is to it. And then if I do this, it's pretty much just, yeah, is bound broadcast. Excellent. So in our objective code, so in here, we can do if oh wait, if I called it something else in it, oh yeah, it's sorry, probably best to keep it to the same standard. It's on objective claimed dot. Okay, it's not doing the IntelliSense for it. Okay, but I know it's I know it's this. Let's just double check. Capital I on is bound, and that's it. Yeah, cool. Should be really straightforward. Hopefully, this will just build. So this checks whether anything's linked to it. Oh. You guys. Oh, whoops. That's why. Let's try this again, shall we? Forgot to change the out parameters. Come on, you can do it. Oh, intriguing. Oh, yeah, helps if I firstly do that. What size? Where are we looking? Here we are. I think it's num. Yeah, num. Yeah, arrays use .num to check them in quantity. Oh. All right. For declaration, then we come into here. Huh? Is it not? Do we already have it? Oh, we do. We'll get there. Had to do a forward declaration of objective. Yeah, it's fair enough. I haven't done it here before. Oh, why do I keep doing this? It's the second time I've done that today. There we go. I have no idea where that came from. Okay. I don't need to run this. Okay, so now we've got the the broadcast being set up. You need the AI to scan for the actors in the world that are objectives. So somewhat ironically, we need to do this. However, as we're already doing this here, and if it's an objective-based game, it should always perform this operation. So in theory, should be able to just do this. Um, I think it's this. It's been a while. It's an objective claimed and it is in public. Let me search me old code because I don't know why that's not working properly. It's my cryptos. Yeah. It's not doing the syntax highlighting very well. I don't understand why. Close all of this down. Can you like reparse this file, please? Where's extensions, visual sys? Is it in here? Huh. Thought there was an option to reparse this particular file. Oh, whatever. We know it's so it's literally this, and then you get a reference to the method. It should be that. And then do this. And in theory, this should just work, possibly. Let's just find out. Just copy and paste it. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Well, there you go. I still don't know why it's not auto-completing that, but whatever. So we've got a debug point into here. And hopefully... Oh yes, the old U function stuff. Hang on. Let's take that. This is a real mess. Okay, and now we brand it as a U function, and it should be good to go. I really need to sort this out sometime. I feel like I want methods at the bottom here or something. Yeah, let me just do this real quick because it's gonna bug me. Yes, we know what that is. Goodness me. So this is gun stuff. Helper stuff. Functional stuff. Helper methods. Don't care. Functional methods. There we go, okay. It's a bit cleaner. And I'm pretty sure all of this should be private. Sorry, I might cut this out. Video or something. Let's see. Cleaned it up a bit. Some of these methods should be private as well, but whatever, it will do for now. All right, let's see if this triggers at all. Oh dear. Interesting. No, so that's not important. Full stack. Okay. We need to Okay, we need to check whether it's bound or not. Add unique. There we go. That's a function. Perhaps. Yeah, I think that's how we do it. Let's rebuild that. Ah. I really wish there was a way of seeing the method names. Let's try this. So let's see, that one works. Oh wait. Oh, now you're working. Okay. Yeah, sure, why not? You're joking, right? Okay, fine. Let's try that again. I don't understand. Oh, it's fucking operation in here. How do you find what these operations are actually called? This is the bit that I struggle with. Like, where are these operation names defined? Let's try contains. Here we go. Ah, god damn, what? Huh. Okay, I'm at a loss with this. Shouldn't be this hard. Something somewhere defines all the names that this uses. Right, let's find out. Straight to the documentation, which I probably shouldn't start with. Hmm. Ah, fuck it. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go into the begin play efforts, which I'm pretty sure we have. Perhaps. No, we don't. Of course, we don't. Void. A drone. Still that. Put that. What did I just do? Right. get rid of that. We don't care about that. And we don't do this in here anymore. Okay. Now we only do it once and once only when begin play happens. Now we need to go back up into here. Do that, and then we always have to do okay, my IntelliSense is not playing ball today. I could probably inline that. Looks a bit crappy, but whatever. Alright. Oh, it compiled at least. We can hope for sometimes. And immediately crashes. Nope, good, right. And we're in. Wow, immediately responds and then shoots. Okay. I'll try and stop that weird movement that happens, but I believe it's now in defending objective mode, which we can check by going into here. Or is it not? Oh, wait. I still have that code in it. My bad. I might be screwing things up a bit. Yeah, carry on. Okay, yeah, right. No, we hadn't implemented that far yet. So we want to force this to reassess search, or we put it into capturing objective, target objective. Right, there we go. And then all we do is in here, we know that there are objectives, that we have all of them, and then we go current state is defending objective, target objective is just going to equal dot get data. No, I assume I can do this. I really need to find a way to randomly order an array, because you don't really want all of the AI to defend the same objective, but they'll have to do for now. So we haven't gone to this one. It should in a second. And now, if we go back to this, hasn't worked. Ah, hang on. I know. We need to set, whenever we come back into here, we need to blank the objective again. Oh, easily done. So of course we'll always have a target objective if it does this once. Oh, I added an on-screen message here, which is I have no idea what I need to be doing. Because if it's not in any of these, something's gone very wrong. Ah, leave me there. Oh. Okay. And it's heading back here. So did I remove the breakpoint? Oh man. So it's not. Yeah, I thought it might be looping. So has complete control isn't working. Oh wait, is it? Current state, defending objective. Okay, so it does come into there. If I caught it at the exact moment it... No, okay. Oh... Okay, yeah, I know what's happened. So it immediately goes to moving to objective states. Which... Wait, do we need a moving to objective state? Hmm. I feel like this is redundant because in theory it should be okay. Let's see if we need this. Because we kind of just want that. Hmm. I may need to faff around with this a bit more to make it make a bit more sense. But I reckon it's never going to move, is it? Yeah, nothing makes it initially move. Okay, let's change our tactics here. So firstly, I mean, this is a little excessive. We need to do this once. These all fall through to the next part. Okay, so realistically, so we're trying to transition to the next state. So in here, we're trying to actually determine what to do. So we know where we need to head. So we need to head there. Let's get rid of some of these. We don't care about that. And to literally just move this. And we don't really need this. We just want that. Because it's not really a viable state. Or it doesn't matter as much. It's not like a global goal for the AI at that point. Whereas here, Else if this isn't null. Then we head there and say we're capturing the objective. So the only purpose of this is to find an objective and transition our state from searching for one to doing something with it. And then whilst we're in the capturing objective state, it does all of the move to actor kind of stuff. Okay, that should tidy it up a bit. I don't need this. Let's stop it building. Start that again. Oh, I'm using it elsewhere, of course. That should probably be all of that sorted. Forgot to remove the case statement. Oh, I thought we were running. Sorry. There we go. Navigation, hit play. Okay, so we need to. So I'm kind of claimed that area. The bots. Oh. Okay. Chill, bro. Chill. Oh, chill. Alright. I think we're safe now. Okay, let's see what's happening then. We've at least got less code to try and look through. Defending objective. Still not coming into here. I'm very surprised. Yeah, I thought we were in capturing objective mode. Ah. Wait, have I done something stupid up here? It's meant to be where it defends the objective, not captures it. That's my bad. Okay. Right, hopefully now it does what we want. I can sit back here and watch the bot capture both areas and hit the debug point, and there you go. Right. See, I thought it was that straightforward. And now, yep, it's defending the area. If we get too close, we get shot. But if I start doing this, I'll deal with that later. Alright, I'll leave. Chill. Okay. Hmm. Would I be right in thinking it's stuck in this mode? No, I think it's stuck in capturing mode. Let's go down to capture. Yeah, I thought as much. Um, mhm. Why is the minimum distance 1,000? Let's change that one, shall we? 1,000 is very far. Let's actually make that different. Um, so this is the distance it hovers around an objective. Yeah, okay, let's put this 400. I don't know where the 1,000 came in. It should basically try and sit on top of it. In theory, anyway. I think that's the problem. It's not getting close enough. Oh yeah. Okay, it's shooting at me. Cool. I leave the area, we wait. It passes by, goes back to there. And if I aim this again, should immediately, yep. If I come back to here, perfect. It works, right.